Hi guys, and welcome to a new video, the Indonesia tour part 2 video. And in this video I will take you with me to Malang, hike to Mountain Bromo and surfing at the Red Island. I won't let you wait any longer and take you with me to part 2.
Welcome to Felicia channel.
And for the people who didn't watch part 1 yet, I have been traveling for 2 weeks with G Adventures from East Java to Bali. We are actually now in the middle of our journey. We took the train from Yogyakarta to our destination where we're at now, Malang. And then we drove from the train station to the village, and we are currently staying at the local family's house. Basically they are offering us the room so we can experience the local life here. Tour company calls it homestay, so we get a more authentic feeling. I will now show you the house. Later on we will also get dinner from the local family. They will prepare a traditional Indonesian food. Our living room, and these are all my luggage, my black suitcase, my 3 shopping bags. I also have 1 black bag inside the room, and there's 1 pink suitcase downstairs. And this is the living room at the first floor. Here is my pink suitcase. Our room is a little bit tinier than our hotel room, but it is all fine. It is one night anyways, and you should be open to try new things. Hello!
Hi! My name is Angra and I'm from Ngadas.
My name is Monot Ngadas.
Yes. Nina, beautiful name.
Tiara. Hello. Erbiase.
Nice to meet you. Thank you that I could visit your home and stay at your home. The local family prepared dinner for us, and it is served right now, and we got beef, soya beans and vegetables and mee goreng. And now I put everything on my plate. This is tofu and mee goreng. And what is this? Omelette? This is fried corn with rice, beef, veggies and kerupuk. Hello Ellen!
Hey Felicia.
What a coincidence!
Now we are in Ngadas village. Now we are for about 2,400 meters above sea level.
Yes.
And now at the moment the temperature is quite cold. It's like 9 degrees Celsius. If you look the people down there, that's people from Ngadas. They're doing a bonfire every night. They just put the wood down there in the village and they bring it up in here.
What is the reason that they are doing it? For the cold or maybe for religious reasons?
For the cold and also for the community, because the people here, they love doing the social things. They love to talk to each other. It's more social.
Today we are going to Mountain Bromo, and it is actually the most well-known mountain here. They also have an active volcano. We will do a 3.5 hour of trekking, and I will take you guys with me. So the village we are staying at our homestay is called Ngadas, and we are now getting a village tour. And she's showing us all the special places in Ngadas, and she's also telling us about the history. And next on we will go to Mount Bromo, but first we are just going to explore the village of Ngadas.
This mosque was built in 1997.
from the village for 3.5 hours. So over here you can see the plantation. They are growing corn and potatoes here. Those are the main products. This is the ancestor trail. Back in the days this was a common trail that was used. And there was no transportation, there was no scooters or cars. So they always took this trail to go to Mount Bromo. We had a very rough part with the grass and it was really itching because I'm very short and I don't have long sleeves. But it's nice to just explore the jungle of the trek going to Mount Bromo. We are really in the jungle, be careful! Because we already hiked a lot and it's now time to get lunch. So we are now driving in a jeep to our lunch spot. Time for lunch and we are going for a picnic today. Come, we're almost there. Look at this. Incredibly beautiful. So stunning. And although the hike was so amazing, we also had to see the sunrise, and we did it at the King Kong Hill. It was so amazing. At the Red Island we were so lucky enough to experience this stunning sunset. It is just gorgeous. At Mojo Surf Camp, and it has a really surfing chill vibe, and I will show you guys around this surfing camp. And today we are also going to surf, so you will see some cool GoPro footage. Sorry for the chicken. First had warming up, and the surfing teacher taught us tips and tricks and how to stand.
Here we go. Step 1, good. Step 2, up. Yeah.
And we also had to learn, like, you have to do the shaka, which is this movement, and I don't feel natural doing it, but it's kind of looked fun. And he told us that if you do the shaka, then you can stand properly still and it will help you to stay on the board. I just had so much fun surfing and it was really cool, and I didn't thought that it would be something for me. Lately I have been noticing that I gained a lot of new subscribers. We are now at 166 subscribers, and I also noticed on my video analytics that my watch time increased, which means that you guys are watching more and more videos of me. And I just want to let you guys know that I'm so grateful for you guys that you are watching my travel videos, and I will keep on improving my travel videos. Sunday you will see Indonesia tour part 3. Thank you so much guys. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe here down below, and see you Sunday. Bye bye.
Bye bye.